right. All right, Kira, get ready. He's going to feed you. Why don't you tip your head back a little bit, Kira?
Tip your head back.
Kind of like you're looking up at the birdies. All right, there you go. Is that too high, Connor?
Hey,
Oh, Kira.
Oh, back away.
It's all right. We'll try
That
again.
would fill it. No, I can't.
That's cheating. You can eat one while you're waiting, Kira.
Oh, moving the bowl too far away.
Well, you can make the robot work.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now I have to stretch him out.
What's going on?
I gotta stretch him out.
Ah.
Ready? Kira, put your head up. Good. That's a little far.
Oh, man.
Ready? Tilt your head.
Good
Yeah!
job.
We did it! Disco party.
Is this how I have to get you to eat now, Kara? I have to have a robot feed you?
Disco.